Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to draw a customized door. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so here's the ready door, which I have created earlier. Alright, so what we are going to use is customization function, alright, and cabinet function. Alright, so we are only going to use superboard to create this customized door. Alright, so look for a superboard. Okay, first thing, drag it out and start to resize. Alright, so over here I'm going to put my width 2000, alright, and then the depth I'm going to put 1005. Okay, so next thing we want to do is we are going to use the panel point editing function. So click on B, board selection, right click on the panel and select the panel point editing. Alright, so right now we have a piece of panel. We are going to open up the hole, okay, for the shape. Alright, so we are going to use this function, drill hole. We can use the draw. Alright, so of course you need to do some calculations. So I'm going to start over here 100 and over here 200. Okay, so 200 to 700. Alright, so which means it's about 500. Okay, then over here I'm going to put in the middle, just like that. Alright, next, continue drawing. Alright, so we are going to draw one complete shape first. Okay, alright, so I've done with one. So over here, as I can see, there's a hole, which is the pattern. Okay, so next I can just click on this pattern and then just copy it. Okay, so just copy it and place it here. Alright, so once we are done placing it, we can just click onto the shape and then we can just put in the position. Okay, so over here 200. Alright, next thing we just copy this one more, the top one. Same thing, we are going to click on the triangle and change the X and Y axis. Alright, so over here 750, over here 200. Alright, so once we have these two shapes done, okay, we have the position, so we can use back the draw function, okay, to drill the hole. So just follow the lines accordingly and just draw the remaining pieces. Alright, so 2 of them are done, so continue drawing until you get 6 of them. Alright, once you're done, you may click on save. Alright, so once you're done with all 6 of them, it would look something like that. Alright, next thing we want to do is we would like to drag another superboard out. Okay, just stick it side by side. Okay, so elevation, let's put it to 0. Okay, then now we click on Z to move it inside. Alright, so I'm just going to place it, okay, 1300, and this one also 1300. Right, the distance. Okay, so next thing we want to do, we want to stack this on top of this panel. Alright, so I'm going to put, there's a 20 thickness, alright, so I'm going to put the elevation 20. Alright, okay, I can just simply just drag it right here. Okay, so next thing we want to do is to create the handle, alright, this. So we're going to use the superboard as well, drag a superboard. Okay, what we do next is resize, so 50, and this one would be 50 as well. Okay, next thing I want to do is increase the elevation 40, because remember, we have 2 panels and each of them is 20. So I'm going to increase this to 40. Alright, next thing, drag it here. Okay, and then position it. Alright, we can also just copy if I need another one. So Control V, okay, copying, and just drag another one on top here. Alright, so now we are going to build the handle. Okay, same thing, we're going to use a super board, so just drag it out. And what we do next is we would like to resize. Okay, so the length would be 1000, and this one I will go for 75. Alright, next thing, let's say I would like to have a curve at the end of the handle. Alright, so same thing, we're going to click on B and use the board selection mode. Alright, the panel point editing. Alright, next thing, when we're inside this 2D, alright, so we can just click on the edge and change to the outer fillet. So I'm going to put this 35, and then over here, same thing, 35. Alright, so I'm going to change all 4 sides. Okay, outer fillet 35 for the radius, and one last one. Okay, once it's done, save it, return. Alright, and now you can see there's a curve. Okay, so same thing, I am going, before dragging it up here, I'm going to change the elevation to, let's see, this is how much. Alright, this is also 20, so 20, 20, 20, okay, so which is 60. Okay, 60 for my elevation. Okay, drag it and just drag it right here. And one last thing you would like to do is you can just group them up together, alright, by pressing Ctrl G, favorite it, and confirm. Alright, so now your custom door has ready, and so now your custom door is ready. Okay, so just rotate, drag it up, okay, and place it onto the wall, just like that. Alright, and of course don't remember to change the materials. Alright, so this is how to create a customized door. Good luck trying, guys.